watching KETV Channel 7 Omaha. More complete coverage. This is the most watched local news at 10. KETV News Watch 7.
They found that the healthcare reform taking center stage on Capitol Hill for a reason. One of the complaints, insurance companies dragging their feet paying legitimate claims. So do you pay the bill or do you fight? One woman gets so frustrated she calls the I-Team, and Carol Kloss takes the case.
Last summer, Angie Beacons made an appointment with her gynecologist for a routine consultation.
I called her and I said, I think, maybe I'm going through menopause. And she said, why don't you come in and we'll run some blood tests to see where your levels are.
But when the doctor submitted the claim to Beacons' insurance company, it was denied. The reason? Pre-existing condition.
Every time you see a 1203, that is pre-existing condition.
Angie says she has no pre-existing condition, neither does her 12-year-old daughter. Yet every medical claim they submitted was denied because of a pre-existing condition.
So I have no clue why this is all coming up pre-existing condition.
Angie submitted form after form authorizing doctors to release medical information to her insurance company. She sat on the phone for hours trying to get answers from customer service representatives. $2,000 worth of bills piled up. Past due notices started arriving in the mail. Still, her insurance company refused to pay.
It turns into such a nightmare to call into the customer service that you end up just giving up. And I think that's what they kind of hope, is that you're going to give up and then pay all of this so they don't have to deal with it.
It does make you wonder if there's an intent where people would just give up, and a claim unpaid is money in the bank to the third-party payer.
I asked Methodist Health System's financial director, Bob Wagner, should you go ahead and pay the bill when your insurance company drags its feet?
Well, no. If you really believe that you're entitled to a benefit, that's why you're paying insurance premiums. I don't think you should. I think what is important, though, is to communicate with that third-party payer and your provider.
If you've done all that and your insurance company still won't pay, Wagner says it's time to go to a higher authority. And that's exactly what Beacons did.
Finally, yesterday, I filed a complaint with the Nebraska Department of Insurance and with the Better Business Bureau.